Alright, in today's video, we are going to be discussing how to create customer pricing profiles. These are individualized pricing profiles for specific customers, so you can adjust how much you charge them for various things, whether it's parts and labor, without having to adjust it every time that customer walks through the door. Now, to begin with, you want to go into the configuration module. From here, you click on Shop and then Customer Pricing Profiles. Here you see the list of available pricing profiles that are already in the system that you've created. Now you can either create a new one or you can edit existing ones. In this case, we'll create a new one and we will call it 20% discount. So whoever, on the basis of that name alone, whoever is assigned this pricing profile will receive a 20% discount automatically. Then, once you've given the profile a name, you can select what the default selling profile, whether you want to use, this is for parts, so you can use the inventory default, or you can select which selling price you want to adjust. Then you can either plus or minus, so that either increases the price or decreases the price of the part. In this case, we'll do minus, and here we'll put 20%, as the pricing profile name indicates. And then the same thing for labor rates. You can use the sales code specific labor rate, or you can use an alternative rate. In this case, we'll just stick with the sales code default, and we'll do a minus. You can do plus a percentage, plus a dollar amount, minus percentage, minus a dollar amount. In this case, we'll stick with the percentage, and we'll go again for 20%. Now, you can be very detailed with these pricing profiles. You can actually go under the sales codes and adjust the profile price for individual product codes under that specific sales code for parts. So in this case, you can again use inventory file default, selling price 1, or what have you. We're not going to go into that just yet. We'll just leave it as simple here, but you can click here and then adjust under each product code if there's an individual price change you want to make for individual product codes. You can also select whether or not you want to charge shop supplies for this customer. So if the customer is not to be charged shop supplies, you can select that there, and whenever you add a part to a ticket, shop supplies that would have shop supplies applied to it, it'll automatically take those shop supplies off. So once we have all of our information entered in that we want for our pricing profile, just click OK. Here it's been created. Click OK again. Exit out of the configuration module and you go into customers. Now here, to assign the pricing profile to a customer, just click on Edit Customers. Select on the customer that you want to apply this pricing profile to. And there's this pricing profile drop down where you can select which pricing profile you want to assign to this specific customer. So in this case, the one we just created, the 20% discount. And then once you've selected that, click OK, and you're done. So now anytime the customer comes in and you ring up a ticket for them, their pricing for parts and labor will automatically be adjusted based on that customer pricing profile that we created. Thank you very much for listening, and please feel free to check out any of our other videos that go into detail about Stocktrac and the various aspects of it. Thank you again.